What the? Bro, wake up. I just saw something.
What's up?
I just saw something.
Where?
Bro, there was like a thing in there.
A what? What kind of thing?
I don't know. It was like a body or something. I can't describe it.
Dude, I'm looking right now. I don't see anything.
Bro, I swear I saw something in there.
You're probably just tired.
Dude, I saw something in there.
What the hell is that?
I don't know, dude. Let's go in.
Go in there? Are you insane?
Dude, this is our job.
That thing isn't human. Let's just call the police. We already have the footage.
Bro, I'm gonna go and try to talk to this thing, dude. Are you coming or not?
No,
Bro,
don't go
I'm
yet.
going in. Are you coming or not?
Bro, I'm not going in there.
All right, dude. Let go of me.
Yo, wait, don't go in yet. Don't go in yet. Take the walkie-talkie.
All right, fine. All right. You really gonna stay here?
Yeah, I'll tell you if I see anything.
Okay.
Copy? Do you see anything?
Not yet. I didn't get in yet.
All right, let me know if you see anything.
Over.
Yeah, all right.
Please be careful. Please be careful.
What is that? Chester,
Did you copy?
What's going on?
I hear something, bro.
Dude, just get out of there.
I gotta see what this thing is.
Oh my god. What is this stuff? What's that noise?
Oh my god. Parker! Parker, are you there? Oh, jeez. Parker. Parker, where are you?
Shh, shh, shh.
Parker, where are you?
Here. Dude, be careful. Yo, he's in that room, bro.
He's in there.
He's in that room, bro. Be careful. Yo, dude, why are you going over there? He's in there.
See?
Dude, watch out. Don't go too much in there.
Dude, I don't see him. What the hell was that thing?
I don't know.
Dude, come on, we gotta go. They might be following us.
I know. Let's go.